Hi and welcome back. Today's training is all about the messages and how you communicate with your team within Tuna. So navigating to a project, you've always got information, messages and versions on the left hand side. Let's click into messages. At the moment we have an empty message board, but in the last video I just uploaded a new key line, so let's tell that to the team. Typing your comments or notes here and clicking save, post this message to the message board. The count will jump to 1. We are also able to show the audit trail within the messages. So if you click back to info and, for example, move the project onto the next stage of the process and jump back then to messages, you'll see within the audit trail that it jumps to 2. And we now have 3 items within the message board. I hope that helps to communicate with your team, and I hope you find it interesting. Cheers and have a good day.